WordPress is one of the most popular and user-friendly platforms for building a website. It is an excellent choice for beginners because it offers a wide range of templates and plugins to choose from. In this article, we will guide you through the steps of designing a website on WordPress. Step 1. Choose a domain name and hosting. The first step is to choose a domain name and hosting provider for your website. You can choose a domain name from a domain registrar like GoDaddy or Namecheap. The hosting provider stores your website files and makes them accessible to the public. Some popular hosting providers include Bluehost, SiteGround, and HostGator. Step 2. Install WordPress. After you have purchased your domain name and hosting, the next step is to install WordPress. Most hosting providers offer a one-click WordPress installation, which makes it very easy to set up your website. Step 3. Choose a theme. Once you have installed WordPress, you can start customizing your website. The first step is to choose a theme. A theme is a pre-designed template that determines the layout, color scheme, and typography of your website. WordPress offers a wide range of free and premium themes to choose from. Step 4. Install plugins. Plugins are like apps that add extra functionality to your website. Some popular plugins include Yoast SEO, Jetpack, and WP Forms. You can install plugins from the WordPress repository or purchase premium plugins from third-party developers. Step 5. Create pages. After you have installed your theme and plugins, you can start creating pages for your website. The most important pages include the homepage, about page, services page, and contact page. You can create pages using the WordPress editor, which is similar to a word processor. Step 6. Customize your website. Once you have created your pages, you can start customizing your website. You can customize your theme settings, add widgets to your sidebar, and adjust your site's color scheme and typography. You can also add custom CSS to further personalize your website. Step 7. Publish your website. After you have finished customizing your website, you can publish it for the world to see. You can preview your website in your web browser and make any final adjustments before publishing. To publish your website, simply click the Publish button. Conclusion. WordPress is an excellent platform for building a website. It is easy to use and offers a wide range of templates and plugins to choose from. By following these steps, you can design a professional-looking website on WordPress in no time. Remember to keep your website simple, user-friendly, and visually appealing to attract and retain visitors.